All right, the last question I'm seeing is from Allison. Can you use hashtags in your listings? Yes, you can use hashtags in your listings or the pound sign, however you want to look at it. I personally do not. I don't see Amazon doing it on their official merch post. And I kind of play by what I see there. But also, I don't see it coming up in the autofill, and I'll let Steven kind of touch more on the keyword side of that. He doesn't send me any hashtags in his listings, or his landing zones, rather.
I guess I have stumbled across a few, but I have not sent them to you because they're always on that, to me, the tragedy line. Like heavy hashtags that are being used that might be searched as somebody wanting to buy that is normally in like some, I don't know, I'm trying to think of the last one. Probably when the teachers went on strike, there was the hashtag, I don't even remember what it was, teacher red or something like that. But I forget the Amazon's rule on controversy and trying to take advantage of something like that. So that's why I haven't sent you any, because I haven't seen any that were not in that gray area. They've rarely come up. Once in a blue moon, you might see a hashtag being searched somewhere. It's hard for Amazon's algorithm to pick that up, I believe, the way that A9 is handling it currently. We have not tested it. If Nathaniel says you can use it, it's definitely something that you can test. But I don't see any huge benefits of doing it. Now, again, I've been known to be wrong. I've been wrong before. That's fine. But we are not currently using it. It's not even something we've even tested. So I can't even truly speak on like it works or it doesn't work. It's just not something that we are using, and for those reasons.
Yeah. So hopefully that answers your question, Allison. If you do test it and you find success with it, I would hope that you would share that in the group. If you want to hold that secret to yourself and we never hear from her again, maybe other people should try and testing it. But yeah, if you do test it and you see, success with it, let us know. Or even if you don't see success with it, hey, I put hashtags in for the last 6 months and I haven't seen any great success with or without them. That is very interesting to us.